Hello everyone, welcome to Australia with Simon Tools. Today the big name of the car is the Honda. The Honda Accord. This is my brother car. And one day he from Sydney go back to the coast at night and he cannot see the kangaroo and he will bit pie the kangaroos. So we turn to kangaroo pies. The hair is still stuck here for me to see. And he tried to prove the evidence that it wasn't his fault, so that's why he left the kangaroo hairs here for me to see. And today he bring here for me to fix the car for him. The budget for this car is $400 to paint and get second-hand parts, and of course have to pull the dents out, fix and paint this panel, that panel. Lucky nothing touching there. And shaggy all the way until this end, shaggy out. So what to do is open up and try to get this one out. And the budget is $400. I've been spending 3 days searching all around Sydney, Greenacre, Yenora, rang all the records, and luckily I found one for his budget. Paint, bumper or replace bumper for only $400. He said easy down in Sydney we can get it, but amazing. When I called up and tried to call and looking for parts for this car, this is the CL9 and CL7 all about the same. Especially this car is the luxury, and the headlight it's using is Xenon. The brand new one, each one from America or somewhere on eBay. One pair was nearly $3,000. Say, yeah, nearly $3,000. One pair. Say about $1,500 each one, brand new for Xenon light. And rang all the records. And lucky I found one second-hand one, which is not looking too bad. And I have to repair, and make it light shiny. Anyway, that's easy job. And I rang my brother, can we bring up the batches a little bit more? And I said okay. I bring up painting, two guard, that, fix everything, replace the new light, searching for 3 days, and luckily I found that one for $450, second-hand one. Okay, second-hand one, $450, amazing. But if you're lucky, you get one for $250. If you're lucky, I wish, okay, I wish you can get one that's luxury one for $250. And open up, easy, repair that, and painting. How that's for you. So I don't know. You know why the CL9 and CL7 they are very popular, and a lot of young boys love this model of the car more than my slipper. Than the CU2, so they do this one as a slipper, and they do performance cars. Maybe it look better, and that's why a lot of people love it. Where are the bolts? So many bolts, man. I'm super lazy. I'm super lazy, brother. Oh, far out. Different size of tech screw and all that crap here. It really drive me mad, this one. Oh, shit. It's really hard to let the car like this. See if I can get it out. How about this side? Okay, put it underneath here. Pull it out. There we go. Here we go. $450 for you. This one, the budget is here. Budget for $450. It's here. Alright, even the fog lights on this one came up. Whew. Whew. Oh my goodness! Breaks all the water. Oh my goodness! Okay, replace the new glove for him. It's burnt. Anyway, Ice 11, put it here. Ice 11 for him. Okay, and this end. Okay, delete the water. And now leave up this shape. Some more shape here to take it up. Oh my goodness me. Oh, shit. I got fed up belly. I'm very lazy to do some work on this car. Man, this Kangaroo must be dead for sure. Even hit right in the bloody pole here. Man, this Kangaroo died for sure. Look at the lights all pop up and came up over there. Look at that one. Terrible, huh? Anyway, leave it there. Okay. Right, later. Now we concentrate on this. So this one, I need one bracket that can holding this one. They're losing the bolt and screw, so make sure it's on levelly. And this one here still haven't taken up. And using this one to pull this one out. And straight this edge up by pulling out, and this edge knock it up a little bit, and we'll be right. Shit, looking good. I can't believe it. I can't believe in my own eyes. I pulled it out very straight. Look very shit. Looks so shit. Okay, body filler, bro. That's all I can do, man. As long as say it's straight, it's straight. And I'm happy. Okay, so take it out, let up, send it back. Leave it at it, then we can body fill it. As long as the edge up and down is good, it's good. And do a little bit up. Okay. We see save the body, save the money, save the time, and stop waste my time, brother. I don't want you waste my time. And here, go in there. Okay, one down. Okay, one more to go. How do I get this one up? Oh man, oh, shit. How the hell did this one happen? We can match the light and put the light in and it's straight, and then you can do the body later. This one easy part, but the harder part is this one, and the lights have to be go in correct. And see the bracket may be bent too, see? Big damage. I wish I have the red gun. Them on, and we try to insert this one in first, see if they go online properly. So this one haven't been replaced. It's my fault. Oh. Then we try to get the light online, and we go from there. Okay. So that's not bracket, and over here, all we have to do is sit the top one. So the top one go in, and you will see the light up and down. You would know. And here we go, just put this one on. Okay, like that, and you will see which way you want to go the light, and which one you're gonna get in and which one you want to get out. That's all here. Okay, so we got this one there and go up too much, we line them on and bolt them on. So all yours. Check for the gap and hold here. They go on and test the light, see the light working. If it works good, it's good. Ho ho, xenon! Beautiful. Working, working. La la la, la la la. High beam. High beam, yes, high beam working. Beautiful. Okay, good. So far the light working good. We prepare the brakes of the bumper over there, and then we put them on. We send back and we paint together. Another day to go. For the budget $450, we can't afford anymore, so that's why we have to do some repairing. If we see any crack, we gotta repair all the crack and dents. And see all the crack here too, and the crack all the way there to there. Oh, we need some tools, the angle grinders, and this one, and the little copper wire. We strip it out from the big cable, and we use this one for sewing this one back up. And where my drill? I need a little drill. We need the doctor surgery from here to there, there, all the way here. Let's see how many stitches we need. So we don't worry about here. We start from here. We will drill 2 holes. One there, and one there. And angle grinders to make the groups, because I don't have the plastic tool, so I gotta go from this joint. Okay, that's all I need. Don't cut too much, you may get all the way down and you broke the bastard out. So you need the gap to go in there, and then you will see. You need one of them just along there, and stitch them on. And turn around. Line them up with the flat screwdrivers and see it go flat down. Take it patient, but you have some fun with it. Went next door neighbor. I borrowed up this one of my old friends, the Aussie lady next door. She give me borrow this one, standing up, making good jobs. That's all I need. I'm gonna get a heat gun, push this one back a little bit, make sure it go in, don't pop out too much. And you see the level, the service is good. See like this, okay? After when you got them in, and turn them on. Get the hammer, big hammer, one put on the back, one at the front. Snap and make sure they levelly here, and later you send back, you don't see it. So one more thing to do is underneath this side, and I'll be happy. Okay, not much worry on this one, but we still have to make them so they level, they not twisted, and it become good. See, nothing I can do. I only can not back love, but I can do anything. Okay. Oh, my brother get the blue tactics. My brother got very good idea. Stitches there, all the stitches making good. We get the cheapest as you can. Okay, cheapest as you can. Go to Bunning and buy normal gap silicone. It's white color. See, normal gaps, external, internal, whatever you want to use for, you use it. This one, when it dry, it's hard, and it got some reflexible. It's hard and stronger than the white clear silicone. So I put it there when it dry, and you'll be right. So now I can do this end, 3 more, and I'll be happy. And look at the weather in Australia, very funny. Yesterday was hot, 32 degrees Celsius. Today, the cold air and rain coming down, it bring down to 12 degrees Celsius. So it's cold, man. I just get my wife get the jumper for me. It's very funny weather this year in Australia, okay? And you see the rain, the wind coming, and I still have my hot coffee here. One thing, good for the corn, growing, but no good for me, man. The weather very make me sick. So I do finish this one. I'm happy with this one. Later we send back a little bit and put body fueler over here, and we have nothing to say. Sometimes you can see the little bit popped up. We need the heat and push it down. You see, using the heat gun, make it hot and push it down until it goes stay. And it keep the level of this one surface beautiful, see? And then all this two are done. Look a little bit ugly, but I accept it because I'm too lazy to do it again. So all done. take the silicone off, and when we do painting, the silicone will take off the paint. See what a look sexy, man. Look like original, genuine, without any dings or scratch on the car. Hi, beautiful, Simon, you are smashed. We are done. Now put the front in and check the car underneath a little bit, and we can put all the fairy on. And tomorrow we're gonna send back and finish the car. Summer, but it's raining and cold. Still 16 degrees today. It's cold, so we send back this part, send back this one, and all around here. And now what we do is just put firm layer body filler just for this part. And same as any other car, sandpaper with water and paint that one black, and all the light will be nice and clear, ready for do something tomorrow. It's gonna be very cold today, can't do any painting. Finish painting, no runs, and this will fit for the budget that we got, so that's all we can do. That's the best I can do, because repair not very well, shit, but it's not run. That's the main key. See, the light look like brand new now. This one a bit doughy because from the second hand, but it's alright, who care, I don't give a damn. Looking good. So wait for another half an hour, it's dried out, and we put number plates on, and the car completely and ready bookies. So we just about to pack up and put number plate back on. How the car turned out with the budget $450 for the second hand light, and hit by roof, repair, guard, and front bumper. That's all the best I can do, and I'm too lazy to do. Okay, now my brother, you can come home and pick up the car and give me my car back. I want my slipper back and start do some work on my car. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simon Tools, and if anyone complain I'm shit painting, you can say, but my brother, he always say I'm a shit painter. He's the only one who not happy. Anyway, I do the best I can do, and I make the car back to original, not looking too terrible. And he have a car go to work every day down the coast. Thanks for watching Simon 2.